5 little ducks went out to play, over the hill and far away. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks splashed in the stream, making the water splash, splash like a dream. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks hopped on the ground, their tiny feet going tap, tap, tap around. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks flapped their wings, flying with flutter, 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 so sweet it sings. Mother duck called a quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck hid in the reeds, whispering peep, peep, peep among the weeds. Mother duck called a quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Sad mother duck cried, quack, 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 when suddenly all 5 ducks came back. They waddled in with waddle, 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 happy sounds in a joyful cuddle.